Calorimeter is a substance, or you can say the object with which we are able to measure the heat content of an object. So through this equipment we can find out, we can measure the heat produced or absorbed. So you can see in the slide that it is similar to that of the thermoflask whatever we are using now. A similar method what thermos we are using. So it contains two vessels, the inner and the outer one, right? So in between some insulating material is that, so that what will happen, the heat remains there only. So heat cannot transfer from the outer object to the vessel to inner vessel or vice versa. Okay, so it is thermally isolated. The inner vessel, this part, is made up of the copper, right? And you have, this is thermometer and this is the stirrer for stirring the liquid which is there in the calorimeter which is fitted in it. So this is how the entire, you can say, the construction is done. Now next, what we are going to do, water at a fixed temperature is placed inside the calorimeter. This means that the temperature of inner vessel and that of water in it is same, means जो copper का है ना, this part, okay, इसके अंदर blue color का water है, that is, and the water both are having the same temperature, right? And now the temperature is measured and then hot object is placed in the water. Okay, say I am placing one object into it. So ऐसे मैंने कोई एक object डाल दिया which is very much hot. So what will happen, you know it, that heat exchange will take place. हाँ, गर्म जो भी hot object है, that will go on cooling, the heat will be transferred to the water and the calorimeter, not just water, even the calorimeter is made up of copper and that also absorbs it. So till what, the this process will go on, this process will go on till all of them, all the three reach to the same temperature. So the calorimeter become having the same temperature. As the calorimeter is thermally isolated from the surrounding, the total heat which is lost by this hot object is equal to the total heat absorbed by the calorimeter and the water. Right? Do you agree? Vice versa. Instead of this, if you use the cold object in the calorimeter, हाँ, suppose अभी hot नहीं, एकदम cold object मैंने डाला है. So what will happen here, children? This cold object will receive the heat from the water and the calorimeter, right? Okay, so cold object will receive the heat from water and its temperature will increase, whereas the temperature of water will decrease. Now till what it will go on, till the equilibrium is reached, right? So this is how it is done. So it is here it is, I'm just showing you about the insulating material which is there inside, so that the heat transfer doesn't take place. So these are the important things we are going to use it. We are often going to use the temperature measuring instrument, that is thermometer, and we are going to use the stirrer to do it. Okay, so now suppose the mass of the object of the inner vessel of the calorimeter is mc and its temperature is T initial का I. ओके, तो ये जो कॉपर का वेसल है ना, दिस आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट, वेट, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस पार्ट, ये जो वेसल है ना उसका मास है mc. ओके, and the temperature of it is T I. I stands for initial. Now children, you are going to remember this carefully, okay? What is MC, what is T, otherwise you will not follow the further things. And the mass of the calorimeter, mass of the water which is there in the calorimeter ना, ये blue color का जो water है ना, उसका मास है, दैट इज डिनोटेड बाय mw. W stands for water. ओके, एंड यू नो इट द टेम्परेचर इनिशियली, कैलोरीमीटर और पानी का टेम्परेचर सेम है, तो उसका टेम्परेचर भी हो जाएगा T इनिशियल. करेक्ट. नाउ सपोज आई एम इंसर्टिंग an object of mass m sorry m0. Okay, I'm inserting an object of mass m0 in the calorimeter एंड उसका टेम्परेचर है T0. इनिशियल नहीं बोलती मैं, क्योंकि इनिशियल का आई उसके लिए यूज किया, तो T0 यूज करूंगी. ओके. हाँ बेटा से. So you have Q0 is equal to QC plus QW.